Hey guys, I'm Matt Pittman of Meat Church, and today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy blackberry cobbler outside on your smoker. Our cobbler ingredients: we've got fresh blackberries, we've got some cornstarch, sugar, we've got a pinch of salt, zest of lemon, lemon juice, a little bit of vanilla, and for our topping, we've got sugar, self-rising flour, and 1 egg, and of course we're going to top that with butter. And for this cook, I recommend a kind of lighter smoking pellet so we don't overpower the cobbler. I like to go with a pecan or maybe a hickory at the most. You could even use a fruit pellet if you like. For today's cook, we're gonna cook at 375 degrees, so I'm gonna adjust the temperature on my pellet grill up to 375. Let's put this cobbler together. We're gonna take cornstarch and we're gonna dump it into our sugar. This will keep the cornstarch from clumping. Mix it up. Go ahead and take this and dump it in our blackberries. You know, if you don't like blackberry, if that's not your thing, you're welcome to substitute for other berries. If you don't have fresh, you could certainly use frozen. In with the lemon zest. Now the juice of the lemon. We've got just a little bit of vanilla. And this is a pinch of salt. I've got gloves on because this is gonna be just kind of messy and I've got other stuff to do. Okay, now that we have this nice and combined, it's time to put it in our skillet. We're gonna use a 12-inch Lodge cast iron skillet. And just dump these berries right in. Spread them out there. Now we need to make a topping. We're gonna take a bowl, got equal parts here, sugar and flour, and 1 egg. Okay, let's get this nice and mixed up. And this doesn't have to be perfect. Look, you're making a cobbler. That's the great thing about it. Cobbler's a little bit messy. It's not like making a pie. All right, our topping is looking really good and mixed, so we can go ahead and put that in. I just wanna kind of spread it out and cover the cobbler with it. Then you wanna top it with some melted butter. Now it's time to put it in the pellet grill. We're gonna go in our pellet grill. It's at 375 degrees, and this is gonna cook in about 45 minutes or so until you think it looks right. Our cobbler's been smoking about 45 minutes. Let's check it. Whew. And as you can see, it's looking perfect. So let's pull it so it can cool down. So we need to give it 15, 20 minutes or so, let it cool down, and then it's gonna be time to eat. Our blackberry cobbler has been cooling. I can't wait any longer. I'm not even gonna plate it. I'm gonna eat it straight out of the skillet. Time to dig in. It smells amazing. So good. With fresh berries, the crunch from the topping and the butter, super, super, super good. For more recipes like this, visit academy.com. And for all your outdoor cooking needs, visit your local Academy Sports and Outdoors.